hearing before the trial gets underway for the 2013 murder case against Aaron Hernandez.
And in court today, another former NFL star, O.J. Simpson, also, of course, once on trial for murder, was brought up by the defense. News Center 5's Todd Kaskiewicz is live from the courthouse in Fall River. Todd?
Erica, Emily, good afternoon. Some key rulings in the case today, including the fact that Aaron Hernandez's mother, girlfriend, and other family members will be allowed to attend all of the trial, even though they will be called as witnesses for the prosecution. The bulk of the hearing today, though, focused on the view that the jury will be going on to some key locations in this case, and a motion by the prosecution to cover up some decor in the Hernandez home.
We also suggest, in a reference to the O.J. Simpson case, that we, as counsel, are going to engage in some kind of a change of the decor to manipulate the jury.
This morning, Aaron Hernandez's defense attorney referred to O.J. Simpson, another famous football player accused of murder, and whose home the jury viewed. One of the items at issue during today's pretrial conference in the Hernandez case is what items the jury should see on its view of locations relating to the murder of Odin Lloyd in June of 2013. The North Attleboro home that Hernandez shared with his fiancée and young daughter, which is where they still live, will be part of the view. Prosecutors had sought to have family photos, trophies, and other memorabilia covered up, arguing that such items are irrelevant to the murder case and could distract and perhaps even sway the jury.
I don't see that there's any relevance, absolutely any relevance, other than to then draw their interest to things, oh, Aaron Hernandez, the Patriots player, versus Aaron Hernandez, the defendant on trial. And to then show what awards or jerseys that when he played in college football, all those things, has nothing to do with the case. And again, it's just an attempt to draw the jury's attention to things that are not in evidence.
The judge ruled that the memorabilia does not need to be covered up. And by the way, that view will also take jurors to the cell phone towers that prosecutors say helped to pinpoint Hernandez's movements on the night of the murder. Jury selection begins on Friday. Reporting live outside Superior Court here in Fall River, Todd Kaskiewicz, WCVB News Center 5.
Todd, thank you.